All right, so let's see if we can simplify one of these triangle trick things. So, what was the advice I gave you all?
Triangle.
Okay, so there should be a triangle. We should think about this as over 1. Maybe think about sine as part of so, right? Okay, so where's, I don't know, this stuff. I've got sine inverse of 1 over, or 1 minus 2x over 1. So what do you think about that? What kind of thing is that?
That's a theta.
Yeah, that's some kind of angle, right? Okay, so maybe I'll put that angle here. What do I know about that angle? We got a ratio of the opposite, and the hypotenuse is apparently 1 minus 2x and 1. Okay, so how do you get the, why do I want this other side? Okay, so cosine's a thing about co, right? So I need the adjacent side. Okay, so I gotta know this. Why do I think I'm living in a right angle triangle? Good, because I'm doing sine and cosine things to it, right? Okay, so how do I get this other side? Okay, call it something. And you know that something plus 1 minus 2x is 1? Yes? No?
Well, square.
No, square everything. Good. Okay, so that should get me what? Question mark squared plus 1 minus 4x plus 4x squared is 1. Okay, so I think you get question mark squared is negative 4x squared plus 4x. Yes?
Yep.
Okay. Oops, question mark squared is that. So what's question mark itself? Square root of that stuff? And if you're really slick here, you can pull a 4. But so this could be 2 square root of x minus x squared. Or you can leave the 4s in there. Whatever. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's the cosine of the angle I'm talking about?
Just 2 square root x minus x squared.
Good, should just be that. Right? Cosine is the adjacent side, so 2 square root of x minus x squared, and then over, what's the hypotenuse? 1. So I don't really need the over 1. So.
So when, like the very first part of that, yeah, why didn't you subtract the 1 minus 2x squared over to the side?
Sure, go for it.
Would that be fine? Is that what it's
Yeah, so alternatively, right? Alternatively, your Pythagorean theorem could look like question mark squared is 1 squared minus the quantity 1 minus 2x squared. So question mark then is the square root of 1 squared minus 1 minus 2x quantity squared. Yes? Okay, and then, yeah, this could also go in there. You guys see that?
What threw me off was negative x squared. You know, with a negative in the square roots. So I was like, I can't remember how to eye that. I'll take care of that.
Okay,
You don't
so
have to.
yeah, you don't have to take care of that because here's a sum, right?
Yeah.
And sometimes this will be positive. Sometimes it'll be negative and I'll have to worry about
Since you're
measuring.
squaring it, it'll take care of the negative, right?
Story's concern is that sometimes x squared is bigger than x,
Yeah.
right?
When you square it, it'll take care of the negative, right?
Uh-uh.
Oh, because it's, well,
Because it's the result after subtraction is my issue. So like for instance, if x was 2, right? This would be 2 minus 4. That's negative. I wouldn't have a real solution in that case. You guys cool? Question sealed? Alright. It might bear some thinking to go through this and put plus or minuses in here too.